Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sharnice. If not, welcome back honeys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, we are finally taking down the Christmas stuff, y'all. I hate to see it go, but it is time. It's January 5th, y'all. I was gonna leave it up to my birthday, January 8th, but I was like, nah, it's the weekend. Let me go and knock this out, especially while Chris was home, so I had help. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this entryway table. I really kind of don't like it now. I got it because it's black and gold, and those are kind of the colors of my house: black, gold, silver, white. I was thinking about maybe painting the legs, and maybe that would help it, but y'all let me know down below. Should I keep it, get rid of it, get something else, paint the legs? Y'all let me know. Anywho, that's what we're doing in this video, y'all. We are getting some cleaning done, some undecorating done. So hopefully, if you have some stuff you need to get done around the house, hopefully this motivates you to get it done, honey. I'm pretty much gonna let music play, so y'all cut me on in the background, y'all clean with me, and let's knock this stuff out and enjoy the music. I hope you guys are having a happy new year so far, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you guys like this style videos, clean with me, y'all let me know down below, and I can definitely do more of them. But anywho, love y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. I hope you enjoy.
Saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls, end up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. Lot of girls in my times there, word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there? These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed now. Talking to her like this drop and a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, you're too worried about being the best.
He say that I'm good enough, calling my think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Damn. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you.
Okay, y'all, we just took our family photo in front of the Christmas tree before I take it down. We have on our matching PJs. And this one, Lord, we got what we could. Okay, you can take it down. And that top flower too, because I probably may reach that either. Thank you.
You probably won't reach this. You probably won't reach this. Because you're a midget. You probably won't reach this. couple difficult times that you know what I mean?
If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Goodbye's a liar, goodbye's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Goodbye's a liar, goodbye's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, it's only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Posing hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm hesitant. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm right. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Oh, you must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Hit my corner, swipe that bitch, and now the spirit charge. Making moves, green on beaches. I be really march. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. You want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm rough. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. pet. Line in and bitch up, I'm wet. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds hurt, and all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me, hear the engine roar. Switch to sport, I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. Glock 19, it came with a drum. Yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask a P, my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, for real. Yeah. Reds, bitch, nigga, I'm one-on-one. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping it so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want stupid.
You can't even sit and be, cause all of these niggas be on you. Wanna say like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Give me what you need. Waste your time, baby. You could have all the space, all that you need. If you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you.
This is a mellow beat.
Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Going to reach mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Perfect, you're too good to be true. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. With you, I'm gonna reach mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. I need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions like take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good and plenty.
I've been all the spaces in between. It's magic
Well, y'all, all the Christmas trees is up. It's so bare right here now. It's so hard to say goodbye to the Christmas trees. And y'all, can y'all see? It is snowing. Talking about it's -3 degrees. Cognac, you want to stay out there or you want to come in?
Wait.
Come on if you coming in. Y'all, it is snowing. I don't think Cognac has ever seen snow before. I knew you wasn't gonna want to be out there long. Come on, get in there. Now sit down somewhere.